Get paid in passive income with this brand new strategy that I'll share with you in today's video. It works for anyone in the world and you can get paid in PayPal money. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial to get every step right. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So I'm going to get you notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to get money online. And you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. With that said, I'm going to just start with this video so I can show you every single step, and just stay tuned till the end because I'm going to give you multiple sources that you can combine in order to make this strategy work. And with that said, I'm going to proceed actually with the first source, which is going to be this one here called Pexels, and this is over at pexels.com. Here you can find the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. So you can download this for absolutely free, and you can even use them on other platforms as well, and you're going to just use them for free and you'll not get any copyright issues, so just don't worry about that. What you can do for today's strategy is to just go over to the search bar and you need to search actually for puppies or cute puppies, dogs and so on, and then it's going to just give you a lot of results. As you can see, there are a lot of photos but even videos with puppies and so on, and I want you to just download as much as you can. As you can see, they are really cute actually. This is a really fun strategy and also very easy to do, so just stay tuned until the end because I'm going to show you what you are going to do with these cute pictures of puppies. So you can download as many as you can, but just clicking on this arrow over here, it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer, as you can see, and you're going to do the same thing with the other photos as well. You can just download as many as you can, and after that I'm going to show you what you can do with these photos. So the next step for today is to come over to the second platform for today, which is called Yazing, and it's over at yazing.com. Yazing, it's an affiliate marketplace where you can just promote some different offers and brands, and you're going to just get paid in commissions every time someone takes action through your affiliate link. So you can get paid for every purchase that you make, but even influence online, and you can get paid to shop actually because they give you cash back per each thing that you shop, and also you can get paid to promote and also fast through PayPal. So just like I promised you at the beginning of this video, you're going to get paid in PayPal money. In order for you to start with this strategy, you need to click on the join now button because you need to create an account here, and you're going to put your username, an email address, a password, confirm the password and click on the register now button, or you can even join with your Facebook account if you want to, because it is a lot faster and a lot easier. After that, it's going to look like this. Here you're going to see that there are a lot of offers that you can promote, and also you're going to notice how much money they pay you. For example, this one here pays you up to 45 cash reward, this one here 50% of cash reward and so on, and you can even click on the promote to earn button in order to immediately get that affiliate link. So you don't need to wait for it, you don't need to just fill out some forms to get your affiliate link. Just click on the promote to earn button and it's going to give you immediately your affiliate link, as you can see that you can copy in this button. But what I want you to do actually is to focus on this particular offer. I need you to go over to the select category and select animals and pet supplies, and as you can see, it's going to give you a lot of offers related to that. You can browse all of them, and after that you're going to focus on Bark Box. As you can see, they pay you $18 cash reward, which is pretty great actually, and you can just click on the promote to earn button, and as you can see, you can get your affiliate link immediately. Right now what you need to do is to drive traffic to this link, but first of all you need to do to know what this offer is about, so you can find the right audience for your link. So just go over to barkbox.com and you're going to see that this is about some customized box with themed toys and treats for your puppy, and as you can see, you can get it even every month. So there are some toys for your puppy that you can buy. So this is for dog owners, of course, and you're going to promote this brand, you're going to promote this website, and what you need to do actually is to take advantage of those pictures that we downloaded even before. So you need to go over actually to Instagram, and you need to create an account for absolutely free, because we are going to create an account all related to dogs. You're going to just put on username related to dogs, pictures related to dogs, profile picture, bio, and so on. So just create your account here on Instagram, and it can look pretty much like this one. As you can see, it's called Puppies of Instagram, and they have thousands of followers. They have an account built only for puppies and dogs, and you're going to see that even the bio is related to that. What you need to do after that is to just start posting the pictures that you download this for free from pexels.com, so you can create your account. And of course, you're going to need people that are interested in following you. So just come over to similar platforms to this one, to similar accounts actually, and you're going to go over to their followers and just start following people one by one as much as you can, because they can follow you back, since there are people that love this kind of pages, and also they may be dog owners. And what you need to do that is to just put on your bio the affiliate link that you got on Yazing from BarkBox. As you can see, this is a perfect example. Actually, surprisingly, I found this account that is promoting something for BarkBox as well. So they are making money with this strategy, just like I'm showing you right now. So you're going to put your affiliate link on the bio, and whenever people visit your page, they're going to see that affiliate link on your bio too. They can click on it and they can buy something from BarkBox for their dog, and you're going to make money again and again. You just need to grow your Instagram account. Actually, I know that it may be a little bit hard, but it also depends on you, on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. And of course, you can even be just like this person here who has like thousands of followers on their Instagram page. But if you want to grow your Instagram page not manually, you can go over to this platform called shoutcard.com. You can register for absolutely free, and you can browse a lot of influencers over here, and you're going to just see that there are a lot of pages that can help you and can advertise you on their stories, on their posts, and so on. You just need to find the dogs and animals accounts on Instagram. Of course, you need to create an account first in order to be able to see all of these accounts and how much money they need in order to give you advertisement. And the thing is that these people ask like $5 or $10 to just promote you on their page, and you can just pay that amount of money in order to get more followers on your Instagram account. Of course, if you don't want to spend any money at all, you don't need to do that. You can just grow your Instagram page step by step manually for free by following people, following other people back, and so on. So you can even start commenting on this kind of picture of photos here on posts in order to get the most followers, in order also to make this strategy work. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up to it, a comment down below, let me know if you like this strategy, and also subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.